Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Test Automation World. Myself Pavan Suryavanshi. So today we are going to discuss the topic about how to download and install Katalon Studio. So in a previous session we have discussed about the very first topic, that is what is Katalon Studio and what are the features of Katalon Studio. So in this session I'm going to take a session on how to download and install Katalon Studio. So let's have a glimpse on this PPT. So in this session the points to be covered as first of all we will see the system requirements. So what are the system requirements to download the Katalon Studio tool, and the second one is download and install Katalon Studio. So first we will discuss about system requirements. So guys, to download the Katalon Studio, so we need minimum operating system, that is Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and if you are using MacBook, that is Mac OS, so minimum version of operating system is 10.11. So make sure that you have 10.11 plus version on MacBook, and on the other hand in Windows you can have 7, 8 and 10 operating system. Okay, so and in terms of CPU, you have minimum 1 gigahertz and memory of 1 GB RAM 32-bit, and in terms of 64-bit processor, uh, you will be needing minimum 2 GB RAM 64-bit. Okay, so make sure that your system fulfill this requirement, that is 1 gigahertz and 1 GB RAM 32-bit and 62-bit and 2 GB RAM 64-bit, and you should have at least 1 GB of available hard disk space in your system. Okay, so let's have a glimpse on second point, that is download and install Katalon Studio. So the download link would be www.katalon.com. Okay, I'll show you guys. So let me jump on Chrome browser. Let me maximize it. Let me enter katalon.com. Okay, so this is the official website of Katalon Studio. So in the first session I have shown you the official website. So guys, this is the official website, that is katalon.com. So we need to download, so we have to navigate to products, then we need to click on Katalon Studio. Then you can see the option as free download, so click on it. So it will ask you the full name, business email and password. So let's enter. Okay, click on get started. So, okay, I'll check if I have account. sign. Okay, wait. Okay, so I had another account, so I have logged in, and as you can see, there it is asking for which product would you like to use. So the option one is Katalon Studio, that is create your first test, and Katalon desktop, manage your test. So download the Katalon Studio, so you need to click on create your first test, that is Katalon Studio. So click on this, then I'll say never. Then as you can see, so it has asking Windows 64 32-bit, Mac OS and Linux. So as I have MacBook, so I'll select MacBook. So and if you have Windows operating system, then as per the requirement you need to select 64-bit or 32-bit. And if you have Linux operating system, then you need to select Linux operating system. Then in my system I have Mac OS, so I'll select Mac OS. So in first option, that is Katalon Studio, you need to click on download. Okay, so click on download. So it is downloading. As you can see, the downloading has been completed. So I'll click on this, and I'll click on show in finder, that is folder. Okay, so over here you can see the .dmg has been downloaded. So I'll double click on this, and I will add in applications. Okay, so it is copying, so I'll go to finder or launchpad. Then in folder, it application has been downloaded. So I'll open this. Okay, so I'll click on open. Okay, as you can see, it is processing, and it will ask you the email and password. And after entering email and password, you need to click on activate, and it will completely install the Katalon Studio. So as you and I'll show you one more information, that is release notes. So I'll go back to Katalon Studio, and go to resources, go to documentation. So and go to products and licenses, go to Katalon Studio Enterprise and Runtime Engine license, types of license. So as you can verify that it is correct downloaded or not. So in types of licenses. So yeah, so this is all about download and install Katalon Studio. So yeah, and one more thing. So in the next session, I'll be taking a session on explore user interface on Katalon Studio. So yeah, that is all about download and install Katalon Studio. So let me know guys, if you have any queries regarding download and install Katalon Studio. So I'll cover a session, and if you want me to cover any topic on Katalon Studio, I'll cover that as well. So yeah, see you in the next session. Thank you.